How's it going, everyone? I hope you are all doing well. Right, so on the way back I picked up a product and I want to put it in because it should only take me like 10 minutes. So I just thought I'd show you quickly because I thought it was pretty cool. So this was sorted out for me by a company called Leisure Vehicle Services. So I'll leave a link to their website down below. Going to be getting something else off them soonish as well, so keep an eye out for that. Basically, I like to sit here. I'm in the passenger seat right now in my cab. I like to sit here a lot. I find myself here all the time. Sometimes I'll pull up to a spot, I'll get out of the driver's seat and move over into this seat and just sit. I'll sit on my laptop here, you know, whatever. I just love it. In the summer, I'll open the door and I'll have my feet on the door. Now I'll turn around this way and have my feet up there, do some work because it's just a nice view and I just like it in here. But it's always really uncomfortable when I want to turn around and stuff because obviously the seat's pointing this way. So that's where this comes in. So this is a swiveling seat base, and basically all it does, it goes in between your frame of your seat and the actual seat itself. You put it in that gap and then you can pull this lever and spin the seat in either direction. So I'm going to put it in a minute and show you it. Vehicle specific. So you can see on there, maybe it says Iveco daily. Because obviously all seat bases are different. I know you can get sort of universal ones of these, but this is obviously built for this van and the holes will all line up with my seat, so it should really be dead easy to put in. Now I do have different seats in this though. I'll show you now. So if you haven't seen already, you have to excuse the mess. I'm in cleaning up mode after Scotland. I have seats from a 2004 Honda Accord because they were cheap and I like them. So it should still work because I made frames up for these seats so that they fitted the standard Iveco ones. So all the holes should still line up fine. The only problem I might have is obviously these are electric, so I might have to adjust the cable slightly to make it work, but it's fine. I was going to make one of these swiveling things myself, but these guys said they make them, and I mean it is quite a crucial part that obviously you don't want to be going wrong or not being made properly, because you know it's the seat, isn't it? If you have a crash, like this thing's going to be keeping you attached to the van. Right, I'm going to pull my seat out and see what the crack is. There you go, it's a bit manky under there, but you can see, so this is the original seat frame, and then these red bits, because I never got around to painting them properly, are what I made. I mean that's just a basic bar, but this one is like a little, focus then, this one here is like a L tab that I welded to another bar so that it fits the brackets on the bottom of this seat. You can see there, look, 1, 2, and then one there and one there. And 2, the new seat base. Put this shit out of the way. These going to sit straight on top of it, like that. And of course the holes line up perfectly because it's made for it. Right, I'll get this screwed in. We provide all new bolts got as well, so that's cool. Get that done and then I'll check back in a minute. Right, so there we go, and that's the bases attached on. See, I can swivel now. I've just got to put the seat on now. Right, so this turned out much cooler than I was expecting. All I do is pull this little lever here. This little lever here. And then I can spin. And then I can lean back. Then I can put my feet on the door. And there we go. I now have a reclining armchair. That's cool. Come on, tell me that isn't cool. There we go. That's awesome. I love that. Obviously it goes the other way as well. Even just to be able to go a bit like that, it's still so much better. Because now I can put my feet out, maybe it's not crap all in my van. Oh, that's fantastic. That is, oh yes. You have no idea how long I've wanted to do this. Brilliant.